Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make text pop up on CapCut. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. So to make text pop up on CapCut, just follow these simple steps using the keyframes. So firstly, open your CapCut app, tap on New Project, then choose the video clip. Tap on it to choose it, then tap on Add, and it will redirect you to the editing page. Now go to the text, go to Add Text, type in your preferred word, for example hello, then tap on the check button. Now adjust the keyframes to the end of the video, then make the text smaller until you can't see it. Then tap on the Add keyframe, expand the video clip, now let's preview our video by tapping on the play button, and that's how you do it. You can now export the video. And that's all for now folks. Thanks for watching.